welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you 5 ways you can use to minimize your pores, and at the end of the video I'll be showing you tips, quick tricks, quick things that you can apply on your pores to minimize it instantly. So I'd like you to stick around to the end of this video. Pores are tiny holes that you can see on one's skin, right? Now what causes pores to open? When your skin produces oil in the form of sebum and it does not penetrate into your skin properly, it comes to the surface and makes your pores open. A second reason why you have large pores is as a result of your hair follicles. Increase in hair follicle volumes also increase pores. Then the third reason why you might have a large pore is when your skin is no longer stretching. When it loses its elasticity, it can result in large pore opening. Now the thing is that everybody at some point has this skin struggle. It's not a disease and it's not going to go 100%, but there are ways that you can manage your pores so that they look minimal on your skin, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Now you want to wash your face morning and evening, twice in a day. This helps to reduce the dirt that can get clogged in your pores as much as possible. So before you go out in the morning, you wash your face, and in the evening you try and wash your face because there's a lot of buildup of dirt moving around on your face. So you need to take that away from your face. This will help to minimize your large pores. The second thing I would advise you do is to exfoliate your face. Now when there's a buildup of dead cells, even after washing your face, the cells in the body, the cells on the skin die off, and sometimes when you leave it on your skin for a long period of time, it can cause a buildup that can block your pores. So you want to exfoliate at least once in a week. Now there are lots of exfoliators in the market. You can also do your DIY exfoliator. I have one that I made, is coffee scrub. The coffee scrub that I made with coconut oil and honey. You can use that too. You can use products that you can find in your kitchen to exfoliate your face. And the third thing I would recommend you do is to moisturize your face. After washing your face, you want to moisturize your face. Now, as much as moisturizing might clog your pores, there are two sides to this. It will also help, to make your skin supple. Now, when your skin is supple, is what? Elastic. Now, this elastic nature of your skin helps to shrink your pores. The third thing I would advise you do is to apply clay mask. Clay mask helps to draw out the toxins from your skin pores, and once you're able to draw out the toxins from your skin pores, what it does is your skin pores become more tight. So once there are toxins in your pores, what happens? When there are toxins in your pores, your skin pores are wide because it has taken in those toxins that can come as a result of use of makeup or just dirt or even sweat. But when you apply clay mask has that properties to draw because of the nature. It's pasty sort of, so it can draw out toxins from your skin. Now you want to apply your clay mask at least 2 times in a week. When you're applying clay mask, you want to do as much as possible not to exfoliate. So on days that you are going to be using the clay mask, do not exfoliate, and on days that you're exfoliating, do not use your clay mask. The reason is because your skin can get irritated, and you don't want your skin to get irritated. There are different ways people react to irritated skin. Some people have breakouts, some people have redness and all that. So you want to alternate the days you use your exfoliator as against the days you use your clay mask. Now the fifth thing I'll recommend is always remove your makeup at night. If that's the only thing that you can do in a day, I would advise you to always remove your makeup at night. A lot of us use makeup products like foundations and primers and every other thing. For me, I don't really like to use makeup, but a lot of people use makeup. Now what it does, when you apply all these things, it closes out your skin pores, and sometimes it even retains it. Leaving it on your face for over a night or the next day can do more harm than good. So you want to wash your face every night. Now I'll be showing you quick tricks that you can use on your face, things that you can do to your face that can shrink your pores overnight. Number one tip is this: when you wash your face, if you want to shrink your pores, just splash on cold water. You can also dip your face in ice water. Now this works. I've used it and it's been tested and trusted. It works 100%. Dip your face the sides that have open pores to the left, either on the left and on the right side. Dip it in ice water for at least 1 minute. You give yourself an interval and then you dip again for 1 minute. Another thing that works, I've seen, and it works once you apply it on your face, you begin to see the results 100%, is the baking soda and water mixture. You can also do baking soda and apple cider vinegar mixture. My name is Nzube and I am Beauty Through Nature. I make videos on beauty using natural things around us, and I also teach wholeness, using nature to make our lives better. If you like all that kind of content, give this video a like and also share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next one.